A stock photograph of a sonic boom from an aircraft. Get the latest local news straight to your inbox every day. Residents across Harwich and Manningtree have reported hearing a loud boom which police say was from military aircraft. Hundreds of people have taken to social media to report hearing the bang at about 8:40 a.m. this morning. Some said it made their homes and windows shake. Despite speculation of fires and explosions, Suffolk police have confirmed the noise was of sonic boom made by military aircraft. A sonic boom is loud explosive noise caused by the shock wave from an aircraft or other object traveling faster than the speed of sound. Did you hear the noise? Get in touch on our Facebook page.